Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. You are watching this video because you want to get the top 3 marketing platforms and you're gonna get it from today's video. And I'm gonna start with Omnisend, but before I start, I really beg you to click the subscribe button and to check the description box for all the important links for you to check out everything that I'm talking about today and of course to get your free month from today. So go ahead and check out everything below this video. So Omnisend, what is that? It is an omni-channel marketing automation platform specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. Yes, and what is cool about that professionals know what is most important. That is the saving of money. Omnisend customers get $68 back from every $1 spent, one of the highest ROIs in marketing and on the market. So professionals pay attention to Omnisend because it gives a lot of advantages that other platforms are failing to provide. So what? Powerful, loan, unbeatable together. Engage your shoppers wherever they are with integrated email and SMS campaigns. All templates are 100% customizable, so you can give your customers the on-brand personalized experience that they would love. Customer support award-winning because those are real people. They're not just some bots that would give you some random messages specifically not made and tailored for you, but you will have the approach that will take into account every detail that you are having during using Omnisend. And of course, money doesn't sleep. Save time with pre-built automations that engage and sell. From welcome series to abandoned cart recovery and post-purchase campaigns. Of course, that's what's important. You need to understand the investments that are made into the business. They need to get very good return. So yes, spending money on marketing, it should bring the money back in way more times that it was invested. Personalization, that's intuitive, not frustrating. Target the right people with the right message. That's very important to find the right market for your product. You can connect Omnisend to your e-commerce platforms, whatever it is, Shopify, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, Shop Plaza, so on and so forth. But what you need to remember is that it's very powerful without being clunky. The platform is pretty intuitive and there is no steep learning curve because you don't need to get a PhD in marketing in order to start using that. And what is more important is that a more expensive platform does not mean a better one. With Omnisend, you are not overpaying for the features you won't even use, and you need to remember about this. See the pricing. Let's go ahead. So you can have a free one, best for starting businesses or for exploring Omnisend, $0 per month. And you can see the features that are available with this plan. Standard, best for growing and medium-sized businesses focused on email marketing, $11.20 per month. And if you pay upfront, you're saving 30%. 500 contracts, 6,000 emails per month, unlimited web push notifications, 1,000 published reviews, success manager, and of course 24/7 priority support. And there is a pro with a high volume of senders aimed at adding extra power with SMS, $41.30 per month. And you can see everything what is included. Let's move on to another one. My top 3 is continuing, and right now it's time for number 2. Yes, we are moving on, and the next one is Klaviyo. It is another popular marketing automation platform with a strong emphasis on email and SMS marketing, particularly for e-commerce businesses. And what they do, like Omnisend, Klaviyo is heavily geared towards e-commerce with robust integrations and features designed to drive sales. And Klaviyo's strength lies in its ability to collect and analyze customer data from various sources, including website activity, purchase history, and email engagement. But the things that would not be very attractive are pricing policy. Yes, Klaviyo's pricing can be relatively high, especially as your customer base grows, and this can be a significant factor for small businesses or startups. Steeper learning curve. Yes, you need to have some baggage of knowledge to use the features of Klaviyo. SMS pricing can become quite expensive as volume increases, and due to the large amount of data and options, some users find the interface to be overwhelming. So have it in mind. And my number 3 is Active Campaign. It's also a powerful marketing automation platform that goes beyond basic email marketing. So yes, it has very good automation capabilities. It allows users to create complex and highly customized workflows to automate marketing tasks and deliver personalized customer experiences. Active Campaign caters to a wide range of businesses, from small businesses to large enterprises across various industries, but there are also some things that you need to take into account. Yes, it's very uncomfortable for beginners because yes, you need to spend a lot of time to learn the features that they provide. A significant time investment is needed to master the platform, and it is not super user friendly. Pricing structure is also not favorable. It is expensive as your contact list grows, and the pricing tiers and feature variations can be confusing for some users. CRM limitations. It may not be as comprehensive as dedicated CRM platforms, some of them, and email template design. While usable, some users feel that the email template design tools are not as modern and not as intuitive as they wish them to be. So those were 3 platforms that you need to pay attention to. Check out the description box for more information and for the free trials for a month. Omnisend, Klaviyo, Active Campaign. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a new portion of videos. Bye-bye.